What's up, YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and this is the pre-order video for Pour Party number 12. Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. This is it. This is the pre-order video for my 12th ever live silver pouring party. It's going to be incredibly fun. If you've never been to one of these before, I'll be melting down silver and pouring it live into these molds in front of you. And if you want to pre-order anything, you can do it in this video. Now, I'm also going to be doing giveaways. I've got a ½ ounce, a ¼ ounce, a 1/10 of an ounce, and a gram piece of silver to give away, along with the 47th Dragon Legion stickers. So these will go free to people in the chat. You don't have to buy anything to be entered to win those, but it is USA only. So anyway, we got giveaways live. We have live silver pouring. It's always a fun time. I do have one new mold here, which we'll talk about in a second. So if you wanted to pre-order anything, this is how you do it. You can either leave a comment down below in this video, or my preferred way is if you shoot me an email, silverdragons47@gmail.com. I'll put my email in the description as well. Or you can send me a direct message on Instagram. Let me know which one of the molds you'd like, or if you want multiples or whatever, and then I'll write your name down on a card. And then when I pour live tonight, you'll be able to see your piece be poured. You can pick it out between a couple different pieces of the same design. Like if you want one of the new ship anchors, I'll pour several, and then you can pick which one you like the best. There'll also be slightly different weights. So if that's a consideration, you can pick based on the weight of it. Okay, so that's basically how that works. Now, for pricing, I'm going to be doing the exact same as last year. It's $28 per ounce with free USA shipping. So as far as payments goes, I prefer to take PayPal, but I have taken payments in other ways before in the past, but my preferred is to do PayPal. So if you have one, great. If not, it's super easy to set up. You can add a card or whatever. It's no big deal. Okay, let's talk about the molds, because I know a lot of people are wondering what I'm going to be offering. Of course, you can see all of these, but the really cool thing is, because it's a new year, I've got a new stamp. So this is my new dragon stamp. It'll go on all of the pieces, as well as I did get a 2020 stamp. So all of the pours will get the, of course, 999 fine silver, the weight in troy ounces, my dragon stamp, and the 2020 stamp. So that'll go on all of the pieces. If you wanted it to be antiqued, or if you wanted hammered edges or some sort of custom stamping done, like someone's name or something like that, I can do those things as well. That is just $3 extra for each one of those things. But anyway, let's talk about the pours. So I'm going to start in the corner and work my way around. This first one here is the star. Now, I poured these stars for my 10,000 subscriber party, and a lot of people wanted one but weren't able to get one. The stars end up looking really, really cool. I love the way they look. They're around 2½ ounces, somewhere in that neighborhood. So if you wanted a star, let me know. It's not going to be individually numbered. It'll have the 2020 stamp on it. So we have that. We also do have my dragon. It's the Flourish Dragon design. Really, really cool. Of course, Silver Dragons, I have to offer one dragon at least. But anyway, this one is around 2½ to 3 ounces, somewhere in there. We do have the new ship's anchor, never poured before, first time being offered. This one is around 2½ to maybe 3 ounces as well. Probably 2 to 2½, somewhere in there. We do have the Viking skull. If you want to order this one, call it the Viking skull. These are really cool. They look especially good antiqued, and they're around 3½ to 4 ounces, somewhere in there. Those are actually pretty big, but the ripples end up looking really cool on those. I'm going to be doing my regular skull rounds as well. These are a little bit smaller, about 2.5 ounces, somewhere in there. Those look really cool as well. Now, I do have the pyramids coming back. These were a favorite from a lot of people, and they end up looking so cool. They're really fun to play with and stack up and stuff. These are around 3.5 ounces. So we got the pyramid. I'm also going to be doing the coffin bars. These are really cool, really fun. All the stamping ends up looking great on these. And they're around 2 to 2.5 ounces, somewhere in there. I think the smallest one I ever did was just under 2 ounces. Okay, now I am going to be doing the hearts. So we have Valentine's Day coming up. So Valentine's Day 2020, if you don't have anything planned yet, now is a great time to secure a beautiful heart pour. You can put her name on it or your anniversary or something like that. These are around 2 to 2.5 ounces. So really cool hearts. And then we do have the Eagles coming back as well. Love the Eagles. These are a little bit bigger, 3.5 to 4 ounces. I think the biggest one I ever did was 5 ounces or just under 5. So really cool Eagles for 2020. This was a favorite of a lot of people's at the last pour party. It is the Aztec round, or you can call it the Aztec coin. This is the same one or similar design from the Pirates of the Caribbean movie. So these are really awesome. They're around 2.5 to 3 ounces, somewhere in that neighborhood. And then we got the big one, the 5-ounce skulls. So if anyone wants a 5-ounce skull for 2020, let me know. These are really, really cool, and they have incredible ripples on them as well. So we'll be pouring those tonight. I do have a lot more molds than just these, so if we get through them and still have extra time at the end of the stream, I might break out some new molds, but these are the ones that I'm guaranteeing for the pre-orders. So let me know if you want any of these, and I'm so incredibly excited to be pouring again, another live party. This is gonna be a great year. I'm gonna have lots of parties this year, so lots of chances to get cool, beautiful poured silver, and I am gonna be making my own molds very shortly. This new one I did not make myself. I'm still working on the process of that, so lots of more fun things to come later in the year. But anyway, I hope to see you all tonight. Silver Dragons out.